Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you the Weiser Powerbolt 3 programming instructions step by step. So before programming the lock, you need to first of all perform the door handling setup. So in order to do it, you need to remove the interior cover and then inside it you will find the program button. So you just have to simply press the program button. After doing so, you need to press 0 and then you need to press the Weiser logo button. Now this way the deadbolt should automatically extend and retract in order to learn the door direction. So after doing this, you just have to simply add a new user, and in order to do that, you just have to first of all press the program button again, and this time you just have to simply press 1. Then you need to press the Weiser logo button, and then you need to simply enter your new 4 to 8 digit code. When you are done adding your code, you just have to press the Weiser button in order to basically save the changes. So if it is successful, the lock should beep once and it is going to also flash green. Now in order to create or change the programming code, you need to first of all press the program button. Then on your lock, you just have to simply press 3. Afterwards, you need to press the Weiser logo button, then enter the new programming code. In order to save changes into that code, in order to save that, you just have to simply press the Weiser logo button again, and the programming code allows future changes without opening the interior lock. So that's how you can basically use it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.